just asking.
No, you made me put all my knives away.
I needed to.
You gotta put a knife lock on him.
No,
I'm just kidding.
They're hard to open, all these boxes.
Yes, they are.
What is it?
Hold on. Let's see. It says, no, this is where reading is important. It says, Fisher Price, Little People, Launch and Loop, Raceway.
Yeah. Open this to me.
What do you say?
Thank you. Open to me. On to me.
We gotta wait. You gotta be patient.
Ready card. Open to
Okay, can you stand up so I can do this?
Here, Nellie, I got it.
No.
Mary, can you stand?
Do mine.
We gotta do Mary's first.
Did you get a cocoa melon, Mary? Thank you.
Open mine. Open mine. The big picture. Yay! The mother. I like it. That's awesome.
Oh my.
Gosh, yeah. My gosh. Open that. Open it.
Okay, hold on, let me figure it out.
A little
What is it?
enthusiasm.
What's the picture?
It's a racer?
Yeah. Let's go open it. Please. Thank you.
Whoa.
I like it so much.
Oh, that's nice. He's just thanking everybody because he
I
doesn't know.
told him
Oh. Bless his heart.
to. Oh.
There you go.
Oh.
Ooh. Yay! Yay! You gonna cut the music on? You gonna cut the music on? All right, come around here.
Oh.
All right. Now hit the button. Yay! Good boy.
Let's put this other thing out of your way. That's fun.
This thing has held up to years of my preschooler playing with it. He got it when he was 1. And it's still going strong. All kinds of cars too, not just the ones that come with it.
Push it again. Wow. Wonderful. Beautiful. Yeah.